Good afternoon, I'm Teacher David, and today we are teaching G8 class about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, what are they? We use them when we don't want to specify a person, place, or thing. For affirmative sentences, for a person we say somebody or someone. Somebody is in the kitchen. Someone is out the door. But for a negative, we say anybody or anyone. Or for a question, example, is there anybody at home? Or, I didn't see anyone at the mall today. For things, we use something for the affirmative sentence. Once again, we don't want to specify one particular thing, so we say, I heard something last night outside my door. Meaning we're not sure what it is, so we can't be specific about it. And for the negative, we say anything. I didn't hear anything last night at the door. Also, we have questions. Is there anything you need at the store? We could use that for questions. Now we move on to place. Somewhere. Again, an affirmative sentence. I want to go somewhere next week, but I don't know where. And for a negative, I didn't go anywhere last weekend. Or, do you know anywhere I can go to get a haircut? Once again, indefinite pronouns. Someone, somebody, anybody, anyone. Something, anything, somewhere, anywhere. We use these when we do not want to specify a specific place. We use them in place of regular nouns. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.